Alrighty, Jason, here's your 363 small block Ford. Your description is combination. Got AFR heads on it. Got some guy in hydraulic roller. Got your manifold on there. Distributor, front end, oil pan. I just kind of got a dyno carburetor. Got built your wires, make the looms up for you. Go in there and make a run. Since she does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,800, 419 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 467, pretty awesome. Peaks horsepower of 520, rated at 530, front end's about 10, and that's with an air gap. So usually we run an open panel, which runs up better upstairs, so obviously it makes you some really good torque downstairs. Just that's a great number for torque, good and flat. So what we'll do now is pull the pipes back to make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. The engine will be this tag. It'll actually have your engine number on it, some other specs. You need something from us, the engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, take you to some more tech stuff. Have a great day.